One day in August 2013, a letter for help arrived at Research Center for Eco-Environmental Sciences (RCEES), Chinese Academy of Sciences. The letter came from a Sri Lanka student who once attended the water and sanitation training program organized by the RCEES in November 2012.
我们以前的一个培训班的学员从斯里兰卡发来邮件，告诉我们，在斯里兰卡有一种不明原因肾病，简称 CKDU.
Actually, somewhere like 1985 onward, Sri Lanka was terribly affected from a disease called chronic kidney disease.
Most of the severe patients suffered from chronic kidney disease are male farmers between the ages of 30 to 60. The CKDU cases are mainly centralized in North Central Province, Northwestern Province, and Uva Province, etc. After getting sick, they gradually lost labor ability, and the costs of treatment became heavy burdens on their families.
All those areas, the very high hardness and certain places very high fluoride levels. So we have to purify those water and give the people, it's a human right to have drinkable, palatable water. So our president, when he visited to China, he met the Excellency President, Chinese President, and he asked whether Chinese government can help us. For that request, immediately Chinese President react, and they asked from various people in organization to help us, and Chinese Academy of Science came forward, and they were willing to support us to find the initial what is happening and the etiology of this disease.
Research Center for Eco-Environmental Sciences, RCEES, CAS, is a core of the Chinese project team, with other relevant research institutes and medical institutions deeply involved, and some water enterprises following up and implementing the action plans. Sri Lanka project team consists of Ministry of Water Supply, Ministry of Health, National Water Supply and Drainage Board, NWSDB, and experts from University of Peradeniya. It formed a cooperation scheme to integrate resources from the governmental agencies, enterprises, universities, and research institutes of both countries, and explored a cooperation model of human capacity building, cooperative development of technologies, implementation of solutions by enterprises. The cooperation team covers interdisciplinary high-level experts from different corporations, proficient in water science, geology, medical science, and public health. They dedicated their efforts to studying the causes of CKDU and the development of available water supply technologies, including rainwater harvesting, electrodialysis, and nanofiltration for people in CKDU-affected areas. After months of intensive research, the expert group put forward the plan of both improving drinking water and investigating the cause. Meanwhile, medical workers in the high-incidence CKDU areas received invitation from China. They were invited to the capital of China to take part in training programs from Peking University First Hospital and Beijing Center for Disease Prevention and Control, improving their abilities of CKDU prevention and epidemiological investigation.
As a nurse, I'm very happy to say all the experiences and all the things that I saw from your country, gained from your country, was very helpful to day-to-day practices to our patients.
Strengthening our historical relationship between China and Sri Lanka. This time the Chinese government has come forward to help us in establishing a research and demonstration laboratory in Peradeniya.
As a result, we have now initiated this several MOUs we have signed.
And actually speaking, this JRDC, this China-Sri Lanka Joint Research and Development Center, is a very big asset to the faculty. It will be a great help not only for water research but also for our postgraduate program, as well as the close relationships what we have with the UCAS.
I feel JRDC will be a door for us to connect east and west of the world. So we want to make Sri Lanka is in a very important position in Indian Ocean.
I think Sri Lanka and China collaboration is lifetime.
我们就是开发了一个电渗析，一个是钠裂，公司针对它的移水的问题也收集，所以来做这样一些情况。EDR 呢是针对那种就是它有供水管网，这个相对规模比较大一点，我们做了一个示范，热处理300吨可以减除1500人。然后另外针对那个没有供水管网的，我们做个饮用水站。
From shore to shore, it seems wide at high tide. Before fair wind, a single sail is lifting. Sri Lanka Joint Research and Demonstration Center for Water Technology aims to be a global partner in water research, offering a platform to promote North-South and South-South dialogues, and a good model of science and technology cooperation under the Belt and Road Initiative.